Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to study application of linear function. Specifically, we are going to determine the number of songs in a music collection. Let us have this example. Marcus currently has 200 songs in his music collection. Every month, he adds 15 new songs. Write a formula for the number of songs, denoted by capital N, in his collection as a function of time t. And this t refers to the number of months. The questions are: how many songs will he own in a year? That is the first question. The second question is, what about in 2 years? So this is our solution. First, let us write the number of songs, denoted by capital N, as a function of time t. And this t is in months. So we write n of t. Now, it is stated that currently Marcus has 200 songs. Thus, the time is 0. So t equals 0. So we write here n of 0 equals 200. Now, given in the problem that every month he adds 15 new songs. So we can write here n of t equals, the 200 is here. So every month represented by t will be multiplied to 15. So our formula is n of t equals 15t plus 200. We can see here that this is a linear function. Let us review that in the linear function, the 15 here, which is the coefficient of the variable t, is the slope, and the 200 here is the y-intercept. Let us now answer the first question. How many songs will he own in a year? Let us use our formula here, but since t is with respect to the number of months, we know that 1 year equals 12 months. So we will evaluate this function, and t equals 12. So we have n of 12 equals the 15 multiplied by 12 plus 200. Let us simplify. 15 times 12 will give 180, plus the 200 is copied down here. So the sum of 180 and 200 equals 380. So Marcus has 380 songs in a year. Let's have the second problem. How many songs will he own in 2 years? Same function we're going to use, but again we know that t is representing months, so 2 years has 24 months. We will evaluate this function. Our t now becomes 24. So we have n of 24 equals 15 times t, which is now replaced by 24, plus 200. The product of 15 and 24 is 360, and then we copy the plus 200 down here. Simplifying further, we will take the sum 360 plus 200 equals 560. Thus, Marcus has 560 songs in 2 years. This is our final answer. Hi everyone. Today we're going to study application of quadratic functions. Specifically, the topic is finding maximum height of an object going upward. Let us have this example. The quadratic function h of t equals negative 16 t squared plus 176t plus 4 models the height of a volleyball hit straight upwards with velocity 176 feet per second from a height of 4 feet. Letter A. How many seconds will it take the volleyball to reach its maximum height? Letter B. Find the maximum height of the volleyball. Take note, our height denoted by h and the measurement is in feet, while time denoted by t is measured in seconds. Let us first copy our function, and it is now written here. And then let us collect the a, b, c. It means our a is the coefficient of the t squared, which is negative 16. The b is the coefficient of t, and that is 176. C is the constant, which is 4. So we have here a quadratic function with the value of a as negative 16. So we have here a parabola that opens downward. It means to say we have a maximum value. Here is a figure of a parabola that opens downward, and the highest point is what we call the vertex, and the k value is the maximum. And this line here is the axis of symmetry. Now, let us solve for a, and that is finding the time t. In here, we're going to use the equation of the axis of symmetry. And the formula is t equals negative of the fraction b over 2a. Substituting the values, we have the negative of b, which is 176, all over the constant 2 multiplied by a. And our a is negative 16. Let us simplify our denominator. 2 times negative 16 will give negative 32. This negative sign here and the negative of 32 will give positive, and the quotient 176 over 32 will give 5.5, and this is the time in seconds. Let us copy this value opposite problem A. So this is the answer for the problem A. Now, let us solve for problem B. In here, what we will do is to evaluate our function using the value of t that we solved from A. So this is h of 5.5. Let us now evaluate our function, and every time we have t variable, we will change by 5.5. So we have now negative 16 times the square of 5.5 plus 176t, and the t is now changed into 5.5. Then we copy this plus 4. Simplifying further, the square of 5.5, we will simplify that into 30.25. And then plus, we get the product of 176 and 5.5, and that is equal to 968. We simply copy the constant plus 4. Of course, in the first term here, the negative 16 is copied down here. In the next line, we will get the product of negative 16 and 30.25, and the answer is negative 484. So we copy the plus 968 plus 4. Simplifying these three numbers, we have now 488. And this is the height given in feet. Let us copy this opposite problem B. And this is our answer. Take note, the vertex of the quadratic function is 5.5, 488. This is our final answer.